Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove a received sticker from your favorites on Instagram. If you've accidentally added a sticker to your favorites and want to take it off, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and stickers seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon typically resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the chat that contains the sticker you want to remove from your favorites. This is where you'll locate the specific sticker that you wish to modify. Now here comes the crucial part. Click and hold on the received sticker in the chat. After holding it for a moment, a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Remove as Favorite. This action will instantly remove the sticker from your favorites list, allowing you to declutter your sticker collection. And that's it. You've successfully removed a received sticker from your favorites on Instagram. It's a straightforward process that can help keep your favorites organized and relevant to what you use most often. Remember, managing your stickers is just one of many ways to personalize your Instagram experience. Whether you're sharing fun moments with friends or expressing yourself through creative content, keeping your app tidy can enhance your overall enjoyment. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy posting!